Hey y'all, just coming at you today with a quick tip from the shop. So, are you tired of scratching up silver plated bells whenever you are burnishing dents out of the flare using a straight burnisher and the bell mandrel? Well, what you can do, of course, you can't get around a highly polished tool, but you can get around the friction by using a straight roller. And so let me just flip the reposition a little bit. Oh, come on now. There we go. And you can see I have a polished mandrel on the inside as well. And all that you need to do, I just use my palm and light pressure. Let the bell move around as it wants to. Varying pressure on some heavier dents. And as long as you pay attention to what the bell is doing under you, there's going to be very few flat spots that you have to go and roll from either side. I'm not going to say they're unavoidable. Kind of in this area right here is where we're going to see that. Just because it is a universal mandrel, that means it doesn't fit any one thing perfectly, but just kind of feel the metal underneath you. And I'm not going to have a shot of the finished product here because I don't want to make a 30-minute video, but we're going to be able to get up to roughly there with the roller. And so it's going to save your wrists and your fingers by using the straight burnisher much less. So hopefully that is helpful to any of you out there. Just a little bit of the sight into the way that I go about doing this job. So you all have a good day and take care.